Well, good morning, everybody. It's Mike Cruz back up in Big Bear City, and this is actually the 11th now, and it's the next day after the storm. We're supposed to get more showers today, and we're gonna get maybe another up to half a foot by the end of tomorrow. But it dumped pretty good. It looks awesome. I'm stoked. I know my wife's stoked too. But today she didn't have to go into work because they said, "Oh, it's a stay-at-home teach the kids snow day," which is awesome because the roads are pretty gnarly out there. As you can tell, the trees are just covered. But that's why we moved up here, because it's just that awesome. And we love it here. So anyways, I'm going to sign out. And maybe my wife will do a video later. There's a Big Bear man who likes to say, "Hey, y'all, I'm in Big Bear." All right, well, got to get my shovel on. Everybody have a good day. Peace.